So question 7. Bryce, get that question already.
Wow. Okay. Um, from a point P on the ground level, which is 100 meters from the foot of a church tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 35 degrees. Use a scale
Oh,
of
don't
1 cm.
worry about this part here. Don't worry about this. We could do that as a side note, but this is the main question here on they want me to calculate the height of the tower.
All right.
So Bryce, I want you to explain to me what's going on in this question.
Okay, so okay, so yeah, sorry about that. Alia, gosh, yeah, what happened?
Then we on business. Time for laugh and kick and sing. Walking.
Yeah,
Right? Bryce, question 7.
right. So somebody standing on ground level, which is 100 meters
Right.
away from a church.
All right, draw a little diagram. Come on. Make a
All right, all right. Wow, such nice drawing. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. Huh?
gotta be something, we just moving. We can't take too long.
Oh God, I delete the thing. I can hear Alia laughing at me right now.
That's great.
And this one was Alia, stop laughing at me. You hear my mommy just now?
No.
Okay, good. Yeah, so that is the church drawing.
Right. Show me the rest now.
Okay, so I draw a person now.
No, you don't draw a person, just do a little sketch. Because we gotta move on. Do a little sketch. It don't have to be all that, just do a little sketch. That we taking too long.
Yeah, but I don't even know how, but yeah, right, yeah, that is it. Right. So, right, so now the 100 meters is from this person here to the church, and that's it.
It's level ground, so level ground gonna be bent like that.
And well, so I just got right down straight.
But it will work, right? And the person, how far are they from each inch?
On 100 meters.
Right? We need 100 from him.
I draw 100 m.
100. You gotta put meters. Yeah.
Wow, wow.
If that,
I do not know. We were pen going. Ah, okay, right. All right.
and what's the other piece of information?
Um, so 35 degrees elevation. Hold on. Okay, Ali, I just say I draw.
No, that's good. That's good. That's fine.
Mm,
Yeah. Now, if it's elevation, are you looking up or you looking down?
up.
Right. So the person will be looking up at what?
Um, the church tower.
Right. So draw a line to show that the person looking up.
Or drawing it from where? Here or
Yeah.
at the person head? Or just draw it? Alright.
Where just
Uh,
on.
Draw it. Wow.
Nah,
Yeah.
right to the maximum height of the tower.
Oh, okay. Alright. Hmm.
Yeah, we will work with that. Come on it.
Alright.
And this that the angular elevation as well.
35 degrees.
Show me what that 35 degrees would be.
Um. Right. Yeah.
Yep. Well, yeah, you know what to do then. You know what to do. That was bad.
Yeah.
You just didn't do the homework. That one.
Nah, yeah, I did. I just don't know why it's not in my book.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. That's insane.
Oh,
So the angle over here is 35 degrees.
yeah.
The length over here is 100. And we're trying to figure out the length of what? We're trying to figure out the length of.
Um,
They said
the
calculate the what?
the height. We are referring the height of the tower.
So which side is that? Show me draw a line.
This
Right. Cool. So we're trying to find for this, right?
yeah.
So let me label the triangle accordingly. What is this? That's what.
Huh?
So we had to label our triangle accordingly now. We had to label it. This side of my triangle, what would I call it? Since it's slant line, I would H,
Or the hypotenuse.
right? What we'll call this? It next to the angle, so we'll call it,
The adjacent.
right? And this
Or
side
the height.
is opposites.
Opposite. Sorry.
It is the height, but we'll call it the opposites. So
Alright.
now we go into underline what we have and what we're trying to find for.
Yeah.
I'm surprised nobody mentioned the amazing drawing Bryce doing pink.
We are back with the pink again.
So pink is a
Remember,
man's color, eh?
I
of
I,
course.
when I go to Tobago, I gonna wear that. I wear pink. I gonna wear pink with the same.
Excuse,
I go into
excuse,
Tobago too. I feel I had a weapon too.
Yes, for sure. Yeah, Leah.
I think you put it 35 degrees in the wrong spot because they say that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 35 degrees.
Right, that's what it means. So you over here,
And it's in at the top of the tower.
right? So you over here looking at the top of the tower.
So why it was wrong?
Let's see what you do.
Yes.
Because that's the top of the tower.
Right, but the angular elevation from the top of the tower, off the tower. So you over here and you're looking at the top of the tower. So the angular elevation that will be forming between is 35 because you're looking up.
So it wouldn't be on top.
Wouldn't be on top.
Why?
Let me let me show you something.
I
Elevation.
don't really understand.
Let me show you how elevation is wood, right?
Now you see why I do better than she in maths.
See, yeah, see.
Gail, you could move your
You
drawing.
calling Gail? Who you calling Gail earlier?
Move your drawing. It's disturbing.
Let me
I'd
show you.
rather
All right. So Aliyah, this is what angular elevation is. Imagine you're looking straight, right? Like this is how you just normally look. This is your horizontal line of sight. You understand?
yeah.
And that is when you're looking normal. Now, if you look up at something, if you were to look up at something, in doing so, you would form an angle. And this is the angular elevation. The angle that is formed by you looking up. You understand now?
Yeah.
So, watch, check it out again. This is where it is normally be looking at. But when you look up, you see it forming an angle.
Okay, yeah.
An angle wouldn't be formed over here. It'll be formed between the horizontal line of sight and where you're looking at. And
Okay.
they said they're looking at the top of the tower. They said the angle of elevation of the top of the tower off the top of the tower. So you over here and you looking at the top of the tower. So the angular elevation is 35. You understand?
Yeah.
Nicholas, you get caught up there?
Nah, I know that.
All right. By the way, Nicholas, I appreciate the comments on YouTube. They look yourself.
Of course, of course.
Dedicated to the hard maths. And like some people in this class. Fuck. Hey,
Wow. Train talk for me.
it's hard maths, no maths. I say no hard
Nah,
maths.
nah, nah, nah.
Hey, you
Oh,
see Alia? You see Alia?
No, no, not you, yeah.
not
Not
you,
Okay.
not you. Just how one person kind of probably sleeping out here right now.
yeah. Hmm. I never get out look to know, Never. Mm-mm.
Are
Look
you
who.
talking about me?
You see, you know yourself. I never get my hard maths homework up to now. See, it was real one with
Oh my god, honestly, I forget what because I'll end up reaching late and I forget to send it. I'll send it later now. You
okay.
still want it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nicholas, you see that Subway? You see that buying Subway cookie for a key, right? How to stop, How to stop. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Buying Subway cookie for me. He never buy Subway cookie for me in a long time. I buy Subway cookie, but it was, and he literally take my cookies.
That's good. That's the attitude, Nicholas. That's good. That's good. Whew. Bryce, and in this class we promote inequality.
Yeah, quantity over quality.
What I say we promote inequality. And this
Or equality. I thought you said quality.
anyways, let me move on. So Alia, Alia, the thing is you label the diagram wrong, but you get the correct answer. That's the thing. That's the thing. But anyways,
Okay. Once I get a correct answer.
I wonder who drew that diagram.
if that question was 4 marks earlier, you'd I get 2.
Why?
Wow.
Because they draw the diagram wrong.
But I still get the correct answer and I do the correct work then.
If you did draw a fancy
Can I
plane again, only marks, so
All right. So Bryce, when we see question, we're trying to find for what? Remember again, the hypotenuse adjacent to opposite.
repeat back that he was breaking up.
We're trying to find for the opposite hypotenuse or adjacent.
The opposite.
Right, so I'm going to underline that. And what length do we have?
100 meters.
Right, so that's the adjacent. So we have the opposite and adjacent. Which one have opposite and adjacent in it? Which one? So,
Uh,
tan.
what?
Sine, cosine. Which one have one in it? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, cos.
So, ka, tua.
Till I die.
Which one we looking for? Which one we
Tua.
looking for, right? And that'll be tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta.
Hypotenuse over adjacent.
When you
No,
get
maybe say opposite over adjacent. Sorry.
all right, and what we know,
Sorry, the tan stick to my head now, or whatever it was, whatever that is.
it's okay. And with the angle, do we know what theta is? Theta is the angle. What's the angle?
Yeah, the angle is 90 degrees. Sorry, or 35 degrees.
35.
Yeah,
Do we know what the opposite is?
no,
No. Do we know what the adjacent is?
yeah,
The adjacent is.
100 meters.
Yes. Now that you have two fractions, what are you gonna do?
Cross multiply.
See, look, you're learning thing.
Learning. I know this. You
You
mean that I learned it. So this inside me, you know.
all
I
right, all right.
built with this.
Ali, I even coming close.
I Iron Man.
All right.
The
Okay, so
Max Iron Man.
cross multiply that, man.
Um, 10 to 35.
And then it's 35. Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because remember, two zeros cancel, you know.
This is not zero.
Yeah, you hear Ali laughing?
I guess you're wrong. I'll laugh too, eh? If I wasn't,
Wow.
I was not the teacher. But I can laugh because I see teacher.
I can laugh, it laugh with me.
Right, so you say now this is a zero?
Yeah. No, 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 that's a,
Jump on
that's
it.
a, oh,
Jump in here.
I'm sorry, that's a, oh,
Oh,
I forget.
right. So multiply this and this summer. How we gonna write that?
Um, Time multiply by 100.
No, you
Or
can't. Like,
just
put it,
all 35 multiply by 100.
you gotta put it, you put the 100 on the outside. You will say 100, 100, and 55. That's
Right,
the
I want to get my sharp for that.
and then you can multiply 1 by O. What is 1 by O?
One.
1. Get 1.
Sorry, oh, the letters always win over numbers.
Watch, 1 by O is 1 O. So you have 1 O.
One, oh.
Yeah. And now you have to plug this
Okay.
into the calculator. 100 times 35.
Yeah, I want to get my sharp for that. BRB.
Amy, do we associate with sharp users?
Oh God, oh God, oh God. So what a Sharpie? You want to use a Sharpie? Because it has sharp in it. And
I am. I used to use sharp my whole life, actually. Until like I converted in upper six. Yeah. But Amy, do we associate with sharp users? Amy's in quiet.
but a sharp user helping you right now.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm going to get my Sharpie.
Rihanna, what about you?
Hello?
Do we associate with sharp users?
I am a sharp user.
It will not be for long. You know, if that's run do good in the January exams, most likely he will give you his some Casio because he wouldn't really have use for it. But I was to buy a Casio all along now.
Yeah, back.
Right, so put 100 times 35 for now.
So 100 times 35.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess 70.02.
Round it off to one decimal place for now.
You'll get it have a zero in front of it.
How much are
Okay, so let me tell you the full thing, right? 70. Okay, yeah, it could just be 70.
Yeah, it could just actually it'll be 70.0, which is basically
So,
7. Basically 7.
yeah.
Right? And the units for that will be what? Since we measure in height, this is units for height.
Uh, 8.
Nah,
Well, I don't. So,
I don't know this. Always measure length in. Look
or
at,
L,
at the
L,
question. Look at the question. We measure the length of this in.
or meters. Sorry,
Yeah.
meters.
So copy that on in your book now. In your book. In your book.
Demo.
Right? Amy, let me see where it says. Amy, you forget your units.
Really?
Oh wait, no, you pay your units. Never mind. Never mind.
Oh.
Everything. You have everything. Yep, everything is correct. Everything is correct. Rihanna and Amy, I want you all to try the question I sent on the chat, the latest one. That's
I'm trying it.
question 17.
Mhm.
Right on, Aliyah, you get ready to help me with question 8. Matter of fact, you could help me with question 8 now, while the others copy down question 7. Right? Aliyah, you there?
Yep.
Yeah, I want you to read question 8 for me.
Okay. An instrument in an aircraft flying at a height of 400 meters measures the angle of depression of the beginning of the runway as 25 degrees. Calculate the horizontal distance of the aircraft from the runway.
Okay, so that sounds like a lot. So an instrument in an aircraft flying at a height 400. So automatically we know we're dealing with a height of what? A height of,
400.
I don't know anything else, but I put it only 400 for now. I will know that. And if something flying, well, is an aircraft, so we go up an airplane. You have a little airplane over here. I can't really airplane good like you. I don't know what this is.
That,
I don't know. I really don't know. Look at a shark, a submarine. I,
yeah, I don't know.
I know they're saying that the angular depression of the beginning of the runway. All right, so where do you think the beginning of the runway would be? The beginning of the runway.
From the back.
What?
What?
I I am perplexed.
From here.
No,
No, that's the ground.
that's the ground, yeah. So Aliyah, show me where the runway would start.
Okay. Wait, I could draw a line. Like,
Right. Yeah, anything, a point, a line, anything you feel to draw.
okay. Wait, hold on. So be like this. I don't think that equal. Like that.
That's the run. That's the runway
So,
you draw.
no, wait, hold on.
Show me the runway.
Okay. This is the runway here.
Yes. And the airplane is doing what? If you're up in the sky, you would look up or you would look down.
You look up. No,
What?
wait. I thought you. Okay. No, you look down to the ground.
Have I
It's
what?
been.
Eh,
Yeah,
I
like
want you,
that.
where is the angle of depression?
I really hope I get this correct.
So wait, before you do anything, just remember what elevation is. Elevation is when you
Look up at something.
and is in reference with your horizontal line. So
So
elevation is
Down.
so
Up. Sorry. Up.
this
that
so
is
Down.
so I'm sure
so. So if the angle of elevation is with the vertical line, no, no, that the horizontal line. Hold on, wait, hold on, wait, I'm overthinking it now.
All right, so if you was in the airplane, how would you normally look? Like if you're looking in front of it, if you're looking ahead, draw a line to show me how it would look like if you just look straight ahead. And in the airplane. Draw a line,
Oh, sorry.
right? Cool. And you're looking down, right? You're looking down. So show me what the angle of depression is. The angular elevation on depression is always formed from the horizontal line.
Oh, okay. Wait, so be here? Wait, that line or else.
Nah, it wouldn't be there. Like I say,
Wait,
look at what went on. Pay attention.
it, it
Make
could be
one.
here.
No.
Oh
Look,
my God.
look at this, right? You're in the airplane and you look down to the end. Look at that. You see,
Uh-huh.
tell me if you catch it.
So be here? Wait. Eh.
Yes, be over there.
Oh, okay.
Look at that again, right? Look at the little animation. Bend line. So you're looking straight, and then you're looking at this. You're looking at the end of the railway. So the angle forming between that will be this angle. That's why.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Show me where that what the angle will be equal to. So this is 25. Show me where that 25 degrees would also be. Where would that 25 degrees also?
That would be here.
Yes.
Yes.
And they want us to figure out what? What do you want me to figure out in the question?
The horizontal distance of the aircraft from the runway.
Show me where we trying to find for. This, or this.
Hold on, my laptop stick. You can repeat?
Yeah. So I want you to show me which line we trying to find for. Is it 1, 2, or 3?
One? No, yeah, one.
Read back this one.
Calculate the horizontal distance of the aircraft from the runway.
Is this horizontal?
No.
So if this over here is if that's the beginning of the runway, which line showing you how far it is from the plane over here?
Two.
2. Yeah. 2 is the line
Uh,
making sense?
yeah.
Right. So this side, what would I call this side? What is this
Which
side?
side? That's the hypotenuse.
This one?
The adjacent
This one?
and the opposite.
What side do we have for already?
The opposite.
Now underlining that one time. And which side am I trying to find for?
The adjacent.
Which trig ratio has O and A in it?
Tan.
So tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent.
Yeah.
What is my answer?
25. is equal to 400 over A.
right? Whenever you
You
have,
cross multiply.
right?
So you put over 1.
Right,
So
when yeah, tell me.
that'll be A tan 25 is equal to 400.
And if I want to find if I want to find for E, what do I have to do on both sides?
Divide by um
Or blocking E? Or hold
tan
on,
25.
right? Hey, you hear a new song Zoe make on TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah. This come like the hot girl, and this come like the man. You know? They had to get rid of it. No man, no stress. Apparently that was who, right? Rihanna, you hear that song?
No.
Wait, Rihanna, you had to keep up the dates.
I don't be on the Chinese side of TikTok,
God,
except for
Wait,
the favorite.
you had to represent your country. All right, so tell me what 400 over 1025 is. Tell me, Alina.
wait,
Wait,
okay.
Rihanna, we're gonna draw big mango tree and thing that we're talking about.
Um,
She want you, she cast you, or whatever.
that's exactly what I'm doing. It's saying, oh,
Did you forget to close your brackets?
wait, probably.
Yeah, you have to close the brackets after the 25.
Okay, I get 857.80.
So if you round that off to one decimal place, what would you get?
8.8.
857 points. Yep. And what is the unit price? What are we measuring distance in?
Meters.
Right. Leah, can you say you confidently understand it now? I confidently.
Yeah.
No, she don't.
Right. So what I want you guys to do now is try that question I sent on the chats. Question 17, I'll send it back. Wait, I Cheyenne, I see in it. Hey, look Cheyenne. Wait,
Hi, sir. Sine.
thought I wouldn't have
Hi,
known. This is our honorable past student, guys. Big up Cheyenne.
don't know. I'm so bored. I just don't see what they're doing.
We doing Suka tour, you know?
Nice. Saka too.
Hey, hey, that recording. I might put it on YouTube too.
Oh,
Lord.
oh God.
Hey. Ooh. By the way, Cheyenne, feel free to share the video
Yes,
and
sir.
drop a little comment.
Of course, I don't get up.
Appreciate it. Yeah, Bryce?
Yeah, so whenever I doing recording, right, and you posting it, let me know that.
Ah, okay. All right. So
Yeah,
next thing, Bryce gonna get a haircut and he put on the camera and thing.
of course. You know me.
Hey.
Akshay, no, Shine, get tell you, I might really do that.
Two.
Yeah, Mikael?
Sorry, this might be an off topic question. When last you get a haircut?
That haircut. Yeah, haircut just the other day.
So I see you really buzz your head. You really buzz your head.
No,
Yes, I see this man in Jane and this man bald head.
I I would never do that. Never ball my head. Never knock me at that.
Hey, he lying, eh?
So
Oh,
barely
they
buzz your
get
head.
mad at us, see?
Anyways, question 17.
We
Yes.
Question 17. All right. Yeah. Mikhail, you taking notes?
Sometimes I write it after class, but all right, not right now.
Mikhail,
I write it out on my free days.
you're on your face.
On my free days. On my free days.
What?
Like days we do our class. Too.
Oh no, you had to write it. No. No, no, no. No, wait,
All right,
cast
all right,
still doing a casting. Right? I
all
find
right.
Amy real quiet. Wait. Shahan, you must get this round to join, you know.
Yeah, and he say he go join on the off day.
Yeah, you say that. Say that. So Shahan, how you enjoying not worrying about Soka or anything? How you enjoying that?
Yeah, good.
Not studying about
Yeah, but
about
real boring.
we still had to do that physics experiment, you know. Um when I when I come back from
Mm,
Tobago, probably like any holidays, like the first week of the holidays, we're going by the parts something and we go do the experiment, make an amplifier.
yeah, for sure.
And we go play that song by that's what we make on it.
Oh God, that song so stupid, but it have a good beat
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It sounds like Siri singing that song.
for you.
So as soon as you all have this copy down, let me know. I give it only 10 minutes to work on question 17. Yeah. Shine, what teach them more?
No, I did the wrong thing. I forget everything.
Wait, already?
Yeah, already.
You still remember Soka Tawado?
But I can't forget that one.
Oh, how the rest of them
Yeah.
going?
They good. They did.
Yeah, okay. I want to do an ad with you guys.
Yeah, for sure. That
Like
gonna be fun.
the ad I was suggesting, update on TikTok,
Mhm. Yes.
right? Um, Aliyah, you made the corrections. You fix up your diagram, man.
Yeah.
I hope you didn't rub off the airplane though.
No, I spent too much time on that airplane.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I now realize something. If you did do, let me show you where you mess up in the question. Instead of dividing by 1025, you wanna multiply by it or something. Something, I don't know.
Yeah, a multiplier thing.
But you wanted to cancel it off though. So you had to divide,
Yeah.
right? I take it that everybody have that copy down. So do question
just
7.
no, just no.
I leave in that question there. You all will do question 17. And Cheyenne, how your mom and thing going?
She good. She know.
Nice, nice. I'm glad to see everybody going good. I see you all partying.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I can't forget me, you know, you had a,
No, I won't forget it. Don't worry. You see, I joined class.
yeah, I see. Oh, you had a line, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Picnic part two.
like recess.
God.
Yeah. All right. Rihanna, let me check your working. Cheyenne, let me show you how talented these people in this class is. People driving mango tree and thing.
What?
It's not mango tree. It's just a normal tree with
No,
no mango.
that's art right there, Rihanna. You can't discredit yourself like that. What you doing?
Wow, big artist, big artist.
Yes, you
You,
are.
you, you're
Yeah,
practicing my power.
Of course.
All right. So let me check your work area. Amy, Amy, let me know if you're in class.
Um,
Amy, right?
yes.
Amy, you're trying question 17.
Yeah. I tried. That's a tree.
No problem. We'll carry on. That's not problem. It's very close though. The answer you're looking for, the correct answer, is 58.7.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to do B.
These are tough questions. So a woman of height 1.4 meters, someone over the 4.3. You go through.
I'm not sure how to put these 29 degrees.
Let me draw a
I was
diagram.
confused.
I will draw a diagram to help you out. Right. So yeah, this is the last question. And then we're gonna move on to ugly triangles. Try and remember what we just call an ugly triangle. You know why it's ugly?
Because it all over the place.
What about it that make it ugly?
Why are you asking me these questions? You you can't use trig ratio.
Exactly, you're not right. It's wrong. It's
Yeah.
a wrong angle triangle. You know,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I feel like you could write back the exam, you know. Seem like you're still in prime state. I feel so. What?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Bryce. That's Bryce.
Starting to lose it these days.
Alright, yeah.
It's gotta be Bryce. It gotta be me. I don't sound so.
Ali, I
Oh,
try question 17. Bryce, you doing question 17 or you're not doing anything?
I writing down the plane right now, trying to draw a plane here, trying to be like my sister.
You don't need to be like me, boy. Relax yourself. Clearly.
You doing question
She come back, this be so crazy.
any cool? Ali, are you doing question 17?
Yeah, drawing my diagram right now.
Yeah, you don't want to laugh, you need hot in there. Oh,
I need to I'll draw my diagram.
All right.
Don't worry.
better.
Nicholas, to your son or something, that would be wrong.
I
Yeah. That's a real trick question. You might benefit from drawing two different diagrams.
You know, I was thinking of doing that, but I was feeling a little lazy.
Uh, yeah, you will honestly benefit from drawing two diagrams. So, Brianna, I'm going to send you a diagram. And I don't know if they're going to help you in any way, but that's also it. Take some inspiration. Yeah, Rihanna, you get any ideas?
You just confused no more.
Oh, shucks. Oh, throw it too deep into the waters.
Yeah. Too deep.
Mhm.
Yeah, that order is a weird shape.
That's what I tell you. I draw two different diagrams. I draw the two diagrams in one.
Hmm. Wait, the 36 meters that work for the two diagram.
Yep.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, Amy. Amy. Hmm. Amy, you there?
Yes.
I wouldn't lie, your brain power was good. You put it to good use. In fact,
Oh,
the real
okay.
the real thing, I see that. But
Yes.
okay, if the question was not that question will probably be worth 6 marks. 6 marks. You'll get like
Only.
what the marks. You'll get 3 or 4. 3 or 4.
How come?
I will send you a diagram and see if it guide in the right direction.
Oh. Hmm.
Okay. Some of you understand what I have over there.
Yes. It makes more sense.
That's why they give it two different angles at the pressure. So you can figure out the difference in height, which is each.
Oh. Oh my God. Life's so much easier now.
I think you can figure it out then now.
Yes.
Let's see, Sen, go bring the question. Nick, I'll just send a hint on the chat because this question seemed like it go. If Amy didn't figure it out, that says something. It's bonkers level out. Yeah, guys, so that's the hint. Nicholas, make use of the hint.
Hmm. Well, well, Ariel, hindi boy.
Nah, yeah, that's not correct.
How?
Let me just get a question on the screen. Aliyah, if there's one thing I feel like I will impact your life with, like, it's confidence. Like, no, when I tell you you're wrong, you're very defensive about it, I'm very grateful about it. That's a good change. You have confidence now. You believe in.
Yes.
No,
That's right.
that's not good.
Yes, sir. Wait, Aliyah, is Bryce the reason why I have such low confidence?
What? I had to come in this now for.
No, that's not the reason. He can never be the reason.
You know what?
Wow. I see reason that she have more confidence and more potential than she said.
That's good. That's good.
You know, not say nothing.
They don't say nothing because they know it's true.
So, Aliyah, I want you to read this question from me carefully.
Say,
Um,
say, call me there.
Nah, I didn't call you. I know you're accounting. Yeah, all right,
All
easy.
right.
um, a woman of height 1.4 meters standing on top of a building 34.6 meters high views a tree some distance away. She observes that the angle of depression of the bottom of the tree is 35 degrees, and the angle of depression of the top of the tree is 29 degrees.
Right, so, Aliyah, let me tell you why Wade it was wrong. Look at this, right? This and this
Mhm.
would be equal. But I see you put 29 on top, and I see you put 35 in the bottom.
Yeah, I know it's supposed to be equal, but I was confused when I read back the question and I see it have different angles.
Yeah. Check the chat. Check the chat.
So I'm watching it right now.
It's still perplexing and like confusing.
Kinda.
So I'm gonna do a puddle diagram here. Yeah, how the hell follow with this question? Okay. Amy, you try hard. Big up yourself.
I
And
feel like I understand it, but my diagram was just wrong, you know?
it wasn't making sense for the two angles.
Yeah, yeah. I thought it was, but the two wasn't adding up to how much it was supposed to be. Now.
Amy, the woman, what race do you want her to be? What race?
Name you a race.
Also like
Oh, all right. Oh,
color,
um, um, I should put some pink for
pink?
Bryce.
All right.
But I hear my name there. Was that no?
Nothing. I say nothing.
Oh,
Right? So we have the building over here. Let me get this straight. So Aliyah, this building over here. What's the height of the building? Aliyah, what's the height of the building?
34.6,
Right? And what's the height of the woman?
1.4.
So where is the total height of everything?
Um, 36.
Right? So I just do a little sketch here, right? So this woman, she observing a tree. Is she looking up in the sky to see the tree, or is she looking down to see the tree?
She looking down because she on top of the building.
Yes. Yes. Cool. And I have the tree here. Let me know if you understand the diagram so far.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the diagram in two parts, so I wouldn't confuse anybody. So I want you to read this first part from her.
Calculate the distance of the
No, no,
woman from the
highlight.
which part?
Part on
Oh, sorry.
okay.
She observes that the angle of depression of the bottom of the tree is 35 degrees.
Right. So here, look at that carefully. That angle, is she looking at the top of the tree or the bottom of the tree?
The bottom of the tree?
Bottom of the tree, right? So would I draw it like this or like this? This or like this? This? Is she looking at the top of the tree or the bottom of the tree?
No, the bottom of the tree, so like that.
Right, that makes sense. And you see, that was the first part of your diagram. That's the first diagram. And here what?
Yeah.
I want you to show more. I'll do this first part. So the angle of depression. If she looking straight, that is how she will be looking. But if she look down to look at the bottom of the tree, where would the angle go? Show me where the angle will go.
Wait, hold on. It will be on the bottom.
Wait, so let me show you that again, right? Look at this. So if the woman looking straight, right?
Uh-huh.
And then she look down to the bottom of the tree, what is her angle?
Oh, it'll be here.
Right. And because of alternating angles, that angle would also be present where?
Here.
Yes. Rihanna, let me know if you understand everything so far.
Yeah.
Nicholas, what about you?
Well, Ade,
Let me just start it back, right? So you understand this part here, the building and the woman standing on the building,
yeah,
and then the woman in the first part, they say, and she looking at the what? The first piece of the
she
end,
she looking at the tree from the sun's away,
right? She looking at the tree, right? But
top of the tree,
now the first,
measure along
what was the first piece of information?
um the angular depression of the bottom of the tree is 35 degrees.
So bottom of the tree. That means, look at what I mean, right? So that means the woman was looking at the bottom of the tree. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
And so this angle and depression here, they say was 35. So that will make this 35 degrees. So that's the first diagram. And let me draw my second diagram. What's the second piece of information, Nicholas?
The angle of depression at the top of the tree is 29 degrees.
Right. Look at what I will do. Nicholas, you'll get, don't worry. So,
Yeah, I'll get you eventually.
so here what? Is she still looking at the bottom of the tree?
Um,
The information.
yeah, she's still looking at the bottom of the tree.
90 second piece. So the second piece that'll be over here.
Nah, she looking at the top of the tree.
Right. She's looking at the top of the tree. All right. And if I wanted to draw a triangle, I would draw a triangle like this. You understand?
Yeah,
So where and that angle looking, look at it, the previous angle was 35. And this angle looking smaller than 35.
yeah.
And then as a matter of fact, what they say the angle was in the question.
This is 29.
All right, that makes sense. trust me, it will all make sense just now. So I have two different diagrams. You understand two different diagrams?
Yeah.
So in the first diagram, the woman looking where?
You're looking at the bottom of the tree,
And in the second diagram, she looking at the
top of the tree.
right. Aliyah, you understand everything now?
Yeah.
Okay. Rihanna, you understand everything now as well?
Yeah.
Cool. And Amy, you're crunching them numbers. Let me know if you understand everything now.
Yeah.
Bryce, I don't know if you're paying attention. Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you a question then. In this first diagram, she looking at the bottom of the tree or the top of the tree?
Um, the bottom.
Right? And over here, she looking at the what?
Top.
Okay, well, yeah, you was paying attention.
I tell you, built-in inside me.
Yeah, that I can't disprove that. I can't disprove that.
Of course. Just
Yeah.
thing na eh.
What? You real random though. Right. Anyways,
And she be hey na, yeah, anyways.
relax yourself there, right? Relax yourself, relax yourself. You're doing so far. Aliyah, they want us to calculate what's in the first part.
The distance of the woman from the top of the tree measured along her line of sight.
You see that so you see how she looking down at the mango tree?
Yeah.
Let me ask that question. If she looking at the top or the bottom, does that change the distance between her and the mango tree?
No.
Doesn't, right? So what I'm trying to say is this distance will also be the same as this distance. You understand? Whether
Yeah.
she's at the top or the bottom, she's still that same distance away from the tree. So in part A, they were to figure out the distance of the woman from the mango tree. They could have just said that, but nah, they wanted to hustle ahead.
It's
Yeah.
so complicated.
So yeah,
So for this question, we had to draw two diagrams.
if you advance, like real advance, you don't have to draw two diagrams, just draw it in one.
Oh,
But
nah, I know for a lot now.
a little still learning. So I'm doing baby steps here. Like you see the diagram I sent on the charts? That's what they would have that's what they would have normally do. If you felt confident. But we're taking the time right now. So in the first part, they want us to find this length over here. Which diagram do you think we should use to find that length? If diagram, and
The
diagram.
first one,
The first one, because I'm asking that question. Do we know what this length is?
yes.
Yeah, we just had to add to the 4.6 and 1.4. And what would I give
Yeah.
you?
36.
Right. Let me show you the problem with the second diagram. Do we know the distance? Do we know this distance?
No.
No. We know this distance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, we don't know that.
No.
So we had to use the first diagram. So let me use the first diagram and get things started. Rihanna, you feel confident with the question now? So.
Yeah, so.
All right, Nicholas, I'll wait up more with part E. Aliyah, do part E while I do with Nicholas on the board here.
Okay.
Nicholas, why you think I choose the first diagram as opposed to the second diagram?
Because she observing it at the bottom of the tree.
Right, that's true. But why are we using this one? If we're using SOHCAHTOA, we must have an angle and we must have what else? What else we must have? If we use
And
an
have a angle on our side.
angle on a side. If I use this diagram, do I know the length of any particular side?
Nah.
Nah. I wouldn't be able to use this right angle triangle because I don't know anything. So let me use the first diagram. Okay. Let me just draw a simplified diagram here real quick. Right. So over here is 36 meters. And we're trying to figure out for what. Let me just label the triangle first. I'm gonna label the triangle. So what would I call this length in the triangle?
That is the hypotenuse.
What is this length in the triangle?
That's the adjacent,
This one?
the opposite.
Right. I'm trying to figure out for which length.
You're trying to find the bottom of the tree so that the adjacent.
Right. So we're gonna underline the adjacent and what we have. Which side do we have?
You have the opposite.
Which trig ratio have O and A in it?
Tan
Tan. And tan theta is equal to?
tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. No, I mean adjacent. Wait, what? Yeah, adjacent over opposite. What?
You say the correct thing there.
Yeah.
At multiple self-doubts there.
I just I just had a dysfunction right now.
And where's the angle we're using?
35,
Where's my opposite side?
36.
So when do I know what the adjacent is?
Now,
You know how to handle it from here?
mm,
No?
yeah, I think so. Just cross multiply, huh?
Right? Let me do this question together. You know, Nicholas, some people in class didn't know you joined. It was like, who's you?
Mm,
Yeah. Yeah.
serious?
Yeah, boy. I was like, what? Rihanna didn't know who you was.
Yeah,
Uh, anyway,
truly tragic.
when you cross multiply that, what we got enough points?
It could be on the left hand side, it could be 8 and 35, right hand side is just 36.
And if I'm ask Aliyah this question, and I want you to tell Aliyah if what she doing is correct. Aliyah, if I want to find for E, what how to do on both sides?
Divide by tan 35.
You think that's correct, Nicholas? She's
Yeah, I
Yeah,
saying,
that's
get rid
correct.
of tan 35.
right. That is correct. We'll cancel off.
Fine, you should ask Kara a question on me, and she.
I I will ask Kiara next question. Yeah, the next question Kiara would do. Why is it? Why? Okay, I cancel off the tan 35 and the tan 35. And I'll get A is equal to what? Where is 36 over tan 35? 36 over tan 35. What's that?
I'll get an 51.41, 51.42.
Let me just double check that. Right. Again, 51.41. You get 0.42.
Now, well, I round it off with the third decimal place.
The two decimal. That would be 51.413.
Yeah, so I just oh wait, no.
Rihanna, let me just check something. Rihanna, you had that.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you really first part correct then. Hey, okay, okay. It's just the second part that'll give you trouble.
Yeah.
Let me check what Amy do. 51.41. Amy, you look like you do the correct thing, you know. You just do it a different way.
Mm-hmm.
It would seem like you just do it a different way.
Mm-hmm.
So let me put in the labels now. This will be for 51.41. And where else will be 51.41? Tell me, Nicholas. The 51.41 will be over here. And where else would the 51.41 be? Would it apply to this diagram as well? Tell me, Nicholas. Would the 51.41 apply to this diagram?
Yeah, it could be right on the other diagram, same place.
Right, because if she's looking at the top or the bottom, does that change the fact that she is 51 meters away from the tree?
No,
She's still the
in
same.
distance.
But check this. If I want to find, I'm going to overlap the diagrams now. If I want to find the distance of the tree, right? This is what I propose. I propose that we find, what we had to do is we had to find for this length. And tell me, Nicholas, if I find for this length, what else I had to do to find the length of the tree? If I find that,
Well,
I think,
um, if you find for that length, you're gonna have to add the height of the building and the height of the lady, and then we'll minus it from the height that you're looking to find the R.
that is correct. So whatever we get for this, whatever height we get for the pink, we're gonna subtract it from 36, and that will be the remaining height of the tree. I'm gonna follow understand that. Aliyah, you want to run through that again?
No, I understand. I get the same one.
No, for like the second explanation to figure out the height of the tree.
I can explain it one more time.
All right. So Rihanna, look carefully. Just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where's the max? Was the total height there, Rihanna? Total heights. Total heights. The total height of the building and the lady. Remind.
Oh, 36.
Right. So here what? If we find the height of the woman to the top of the tree, we could subtract that from the 36 to actually find the remaining portion, which is actually the length of the tree. Watch. Don't pick catch that. One more time. Yeah.
I think so.
So what just right?
Yeah.
We want to figure out the height of the tree. The height of the
Mhm.
tree, this portion over here. You agree?
Yeah.
So do I know what the total distance of the building and the woman is?
36.
Correct. So if I know that the big red line there is 36, and I want to figure out this remaining part, and I just have to find this height over here and subtract it from the 36 to figure out the remaining portion.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what you had to do. Right. So let me on. Bryce, you want me to explain that back? If you want me to explain that back.
Was that?
You know what we're on?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me
A
what
lot
we're on.
of things right now.
Come on, we're going on in this question.
So
I'm asking Aliyah.
B.
Aliyah, you can explain to me what we're going on in this question right now? Yes or no?
Yeah,
So we're trying to find for what?
the height of the tree.
Height of the tree. How do you propose I do that? How are we gonna find the height of
Well, we know the total length of the gill and the building, which is 36, right?
height?
But in the second diagram, wait, I know what I was saying just now, hold on. So we have to, find the that short arrow.
What short arrow? This?
Yeah, that, and minus it from the 36.
To find this remaining piece.
Yeah, which is the height of the tree.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's correct. Right? Rihanna and Amy, the reason why I said that you guys was wrong is because any textbook, any solution, it don't have this answer, which suggests that the back of the book have an error. Yeah. So Amy and Rihanna, you guys were actually correct. This is the correct answer. Back of the book had an error. 51.4. And if you do this piece correct, well, I suppose you do the other part correct. So Amy, we will see if you do the other part correct now. If you get the same answer.
Okay.
If we get the same answer, yes, you're different, you're different. You just build different.
But I think I do it like completely different than what you're doing.
Yeah,
What's wrong?
you did, but everything in math is a bunch of different ways you could do it. You just probably think of it differently, and that's even more impressive. Yeah. We will see if it's correct. So let me actually go ahead and find this unknown height. So Amy, I'll wait up here. So we're considering the second diagram now. The second diagram. So I know that this is 29 degrees. Do I know any other measurements for this triangle?
Yeah, the bottom piece, which is 51.41 meters.
Right? And we're trying to find for this.
Yeah.
So label the triangle for now. What is this?
So that's the hypotenuse. 51.41 is the adjacent, and the other side is the opposite.
And we're trying to find
So the opposite. So it will be tan, which is over A. So, so it will be tan 29, which is equal to O over 51.41. And you cross multiply. So it will be 51.41 by tan 29. So that will be 28.5, which is equal to O. Well, the opposite.
so the opposite is equal to how much again?
28.5.
And 33 now with minus.
The um D36 minus D28.5,
Yeah, your answer is
which
correct.
is 7.5.
You're a genius. You're a goddamn genius.
Yes. I do it different, but I still get the same answer.
I had to check that weekend, like properly.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. But wow, you you built a friend.
Yes. In a good way.
Yeah, yeah. You had a representation of that or something. Getting some much something. Sure.
Not all of that.
Yeah, like nobody in nobody I can't say poverty. Nobody in convent touching you like not like at all. You know? You had to be like the top scholar.
I might be topping you from quite final. Because you know I like righty, just a wall between now.
Aliyah, what do you think about that maths? Bryce or Amy?
That's like not even a question to ask, obviously, Amy.
Wow.
I feel
Bryce
like
not talking about
Yeah, I'm going to sleep day with that one later.
Bryce didn't even figure out the question.
What?
yeah, so copy down the wicked. Nicholas, you understand it?
Yeah, I understand.
Like for sure.
Yeah.
So copy this down and we go I will start sine and cosine rule. I'll join real late, so I'll go over like a 20 minutes. Amy, the only thing I'm throwing more when you work it is that you put the 29 and the 35. But according to alternating angles, that wouldn't be true. But
Oh
also,
yeah. Well, since I make like a mistake on the diagram, I go, but somehow I still end up same answer.
the maths had to be correct then. The maths had to be
Mhm.
correct. It had 29. Oh, you put it in the calculation one time. So let's see what you do. You see the parts what we do over here? What we did the subtraction after?
Yeah.
You
Yeah, I
include
did it on top, yeah.
you included it in the theta.
Yeah. And then I just make each the subject I formula, which is the height, and then just find for that.
That's perfectly fine. The only thing I'm throwing off, and the only thing you lose marks for, is the diagram. Like if it was six,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Mhm.
Wow, wow. Make up your whole self.
Yes. I label the distance wrong though. If you watch right on the bottom,
I
this
see you
must be the other one.
I see you have 1.41. Oh wait, I see you put the distance of the woman from the top of the tree is 74.26.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just label that as wrong.
that would
Yeah.
be 0.41.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You're thinking in the higher dimensions. It's the same thing with Rihanna. Rihanna going and do the wrong thing and get the same answer. I don't understand how it is thing. I cannot go do it. Go do it. Right, so we'll copy this down. As soon as everybody have this copy down, we're gonna move on. Rihanna, I want to you understand everything I have here.
Yes.
Right. You know,
I did drawing in one and all. Like, yeah.
I feel like, Rihanna, if you and Amy was in a class together, I feel like they're at the same level now. They'll be like neck and neck, you know? Or they'll be like giving each other a run for the money. I feel. Feels
And
good.
I thought,
Rihanna, stop. We would have be, you know. She just doubting herself.
Nah, the only reason Rihanna in the position she in right now
maybe
is
if I had a good teacher, like
like
now,
like the teacher
mm-mm.
in school. Teacher in school was set she back. That
Mm-hmm.
by the way, Amy, you should totally do maths lessons on it. I'll promote you. I'll beg you. I
Oh
had a,
gosh, yeah. I was really thinking about it. So, mm,
in my eyes, once people learn any truth about maths something, it don't have to be from me. Once it eye open it, that's fine. You know?
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Imagine it become like a maths teacher.
Never in a million years I'm going to become a math teacher. I don't like an actual school, you know.
Oh no.
Mm-mm.
We working in an actual school is stress. Real stress.
Exactly.
I will stick to doing private tuition, but like when I graduate from university and I finish my electrical engineering degree, I want to open up a little school or something. Private. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And if you ever need a job or something, first person I will ask if you need a like position to get experience or anything. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Big
Yeah.
deal.
Although when you was talking about the actuarial science, I was actually kind of taking it on, you
You
know,
should you should look
I
into
look into it.
you would like that. You would. Not a
Yeah.
maths.
But then when I was watching the we needed to go in UE, there's like all science subjects. Well, not all, but you know.
Yeah,
So
what? If you
mm,
have if you have a background in pure maths, that should be that they might take you, they might consider you. But you need to have another prerequisite science, like a chemistry, bio, to get into actuarial.
okay. But I don't buy anyway. So
Yeah, well, if you're doing bio, pure, in upper six, you could get into actuarial sciences.
oh,
Because
okay.
I got accepted for actuarial sciences and electrical engineering, but I take the electrical engineering over that.
Or mm.
I like to build
the
things.
thing, but the thing is I don't wanna stay in this country. I don't
Well, actuarial
you know.
science, that's make real money, you know, and you can do that anyway.
Yeah. I rather go away, you know.
Make that bag. Ariana, what you want? You still want to be you want to be on this? Think, or am I
No,
like I really imagine and think, you know? Wait, let me make another guess. You want to be like a teacher of like small kids?
no,
What you wanted to be again?
I never say because I don't even know myself.
Yeah. But that's what I could imagine you being though. Like I can imagine you working in like the medicine field or like teaching like kids. Yeah, I could see that for you.
Nah, mm-mm.
Or like I could also imagine you know like a top hat and a bossing around man. Like he's like the like on the construction side, use the boss. And they just bossing around them fellas because they workers. I can imagine that.
Anybody who know me well, they will see me with animals,
Animals.
You
especially cats.
remember you remember Rihanna said she had a horse attack cat?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You have some dogs as well. Eh? Do you have some dogs?
no cats. It's my
just
grandmother who had the dogs.
well, bet it is.
Right now she has some puppies, but like I don't know.
Well, you could consider veterinarian. You could do an UTT. You know how to get into. But I recommend doing some other subjects.
I was thinking about that, but then I checked out the prices. So yeah.
What's up?
The veterinarian program.
Hey, what? Set your mind on something. The way you could do any money, go find itself. That's the advice I'll give you. Money will just find itself. Just do it. You can apply for gates and thing too, Did you know about gates?
Yeah, but I don't know much about this, like what to do and how to sign up and stuff.
Well, don't let that hold you back. If you want to do something, do it. I have people I will show you. I can show you how to sign up for gates and thing. Them things not hard. Once you make it on 10,000, they will fully fund you. Yeah.
Mhm.
Give me how to motivate Brianna. You can't let you pull back yourself.
Yes, don't worry, you know, just do something you really love and, sort out yourself. If you really like it, then
That's the way. Aliyah, I can imagine Bryce singing soca and thing, like a chutney artist, a soca artist. Can you imagine that? Aliyah selling glass. Aliyah and Bryce selling glass. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna touch on the sine rule and the cosine rule, right? We're gonna do that. How much of you guys know about the sine and the cosine rule? Let me know. What all you know about it?
Yeah, like tan theta is equal to um wait, hold on. You mean like the rules with
Like A one.
sine theta plus cos theta is equal to one and thing?
Nah, you're talking about trigonometric identities, like sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1.
Yeah,
Nah, I'm talking about, okay, so you see how it's have Pythagoras theorem and it had trig ratios for 90-degree angle triangles?
yeah,
These are the things you would use for ugly triangles. Basically, triangles that don't have 90 in it. So you're going to use this for non-90-degree angle triangles. Yeah, are you like my drawing answer? Well, smiley face.
Mhm.
You think about the smiley face, Rihanna? You think the smiley face, like, I think it's a work art. I don't know about two boys. That's clearly a work art.
I'm gonna take inspiration from this.
sorry about smiley face.
That's why I say, and you still look how ugly you're looking. Look, I'm trying to make,
The ugliness is just a work of art, like you could form it into something, meaningful.
some people, they're ugly, right? But they just own it. And they do, and it's a confidence. And it's like, they just be attractive because of that. You know?
Yeah, let's do that.
Wait, that's crazy. Oh my God. Lord have mercy.
I feel
Well,
like I had to be the ugliest man in Chiba Boys or something. I scare.
wait, this is like a trauma session, boy. People, wait, Lord.
Tisk, tisk, tisk.
Next thing you know, next class is therapy.
Wait, I feel so. But, anyways, Which one do I want to start off with? Sine rule or the cosine rule? Anyone?
Fine.
All right. Rihanna, you know about the sine rule because you do it before in the Form 5 class.
I did.
Yeah, you did. Sure about that. Before we do anything, all you had to know how to label all the triangles. It's different from 90-degree angle triangles. So whenever we have triangles that is not 90 degrees, you label the points with like any letter you want. So we call this ABC. We're gonna call that ABC, right? And this is how we would label the sides. So if this angle is A, if this is angle A, then this over here, this would be side A. So Amy, if this,
Oh,
you remember
oh.
it?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, and Amy, if this is angle C, what would this make this side?
Side C.
Right, but common C, baby C, little C. That's all my graph names. Nicholas, is it no graph thing? Like little Peepon, little Lucy,
Of course,
yeah. This little C, this little A, what this could be?
the little b.
I swear to God, and that's a rapper name, Lil B. I I swear to God, that Lil B.
Probably, you never know these days.
Yeah, yeah, it is a rapper, Lil B. Yeah,
Let's come out with some seriously traumatic names these days.
and
Instead of little baby,
Lil what?
Yeah, it's a little baby.
baby, little
I
baby.
Lil Gabby. I was like, oh, Lil B.
No, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Little
I
Gaby is little assets.
oh Lord. Okay, so this is you need to know this first. For the sine rule and the cosine rule, you need to know how to label a triangle. Let me look at the sine rule first. The sine rulers look like this. A over sine A. Have you never seen this before? A over sine A is equal to B over sine B.
See what I said. See?
Yep. Amy, have you never done this before?
No.
That's because this, like these stuff, is we do in Form 5. But say I do in trigonometry, I'll do everything in trigonometry one time. One time.
Oh. Mm.
So this is the sine rule. Now, when you're using the sine rule, this is what you do. You have to pick two out of three. Nicholas, remember the trick I show you when you're trying to figure out if a sine cos or tan? You're looking,
Yeah,
you're looking to see where you have, and you're looking to see where you're trying to find for.
yeah.
It's the same trick you're gonna use here. Um, you're gonna see what you're trying to find for. Amy, I should be an English teacher.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
I think so. I will make an excellent English teacher. I think he will not ready for my level of English, honestly. No joke, Nicholas. I can imagine you being an English teacher, you. The way you just talk.
Me?
Yeah, yeah, the way you just talk and sing.
Well,
Very, very poetically, very elegantly, like he just use big words and sing. I could see it, I could see
wow,
it.
as an elegant guy.
You now say is the ugliest fella in Shiva Boys. You just now say that.
Nah, 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 nah. Well, well,
That's
well,
your personality.
well. We got Sina.
If Justin was in this class, I would have, I don't know. That'd be some bacchanal. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen in physics class tomorrow.
What? Ali, I'm just gonna be fighting whole day.
Yeah, they're trying to fight for the spotlights.
Let's be, let's be laughing in that class whole day.
Yeah, as always call it vibes. It'd be a little too vibes. Ooh. So let me try an example. Amy, draw a triangle, a real ugly triangle.
Oh gosh, I will try.
Make it look real ugly. Like it's real ugly. But
Hey,
nah,
it's actually looking good.
yeah, that not ugly. That not ugly. That's a
No,
giga chad of triangles. Amy, you're too positive. Draw anything ugly.
also,
I'm not sure, Anna.
no, it needs to look pretty.
No, but we
Oh,
looking.
no, that one not too far.
That looking good. I mean, looking bad, but that mean it looking good. We will deliver that.
Okay,
I'm trying it a bit too ugly. All right. We want to label this angle. Any letters? Give me a letter. Give me a letter.
oh, see,
Nicholas, give me a letter.
I'm trying to stop annotating, but this thing not stopping.
D. No, no, no. H.
H. And
Yeah,
last.
H.
Here, are you in class? Here, in class?
Yeah, I half asleep.
Hi.
I can't believe Kira still in class. But Kira, give me a letter. Give me a letter.
Okay.
I thought you was going to say N.
Okay.
Nicholas gonna listen to some sad Drake music after class.
Telling you about it's really tragic these days.
Yeah, like you gonna be listening to what's that song again? You
Nah,
use
I'm listening to Skilly Bang.
yeah, okay, okay. But Skinny Bang don't make thought music.
Well, I got run up some Rebel 6, some K-Man 9. Um,
If
what's
you
that?
hear what? Okay. All right. And well, Kiara, if this is angle P, uh, what would this side be?
Um, would it be like,
Look at the example.
it would be like common key, like little key?
Yes. All right. What would this be?
What would what?
What would this be?
Oh, that would be little c, and then the other side would be little h.
Find Kiara saying a real nice. Like she is like she describing like a pet animal or something. She said it with like plenty care.
I mean, it little.
It cute. It little. Right? Kiara, give me an angle. Give me an angle for this.
56.
Rihanna, give me a length for this. Give me a length.
45
45 meters or centimeters? 45 what?
centimeters.
All right. And I want to let you give me wait, let me not put the young. Okay. And Amy, give me a length for C. Actually, no, give me an angle for C. Give me an angle for C.
40 degrees.
Cool. And let me just say I want you all to find for C. Let me see how we're gonna handle that. Find for length KH. Right. Right. So Rihanna, since you was the veteran here, you've been through this, you know how to do this. I want you to write the sine rule in terms of HC and K. So instead of A, B, and C, I want you to use HC and K. You have the experience. You know what to do.
Excuse me.
All you're doing is you just replacing the A and the B and the C. You write same like PH and K. So the same thing like this, you just instead of A, you write in C instead of whoever you want. Anything you want.
I think I could annotate here.
Call it out. I'll write it.
Okay. C over sine C.
Right? You know the thing. C
Sine C
that would be capital C, right?
equal capital C equal little k over sine capital K.
Pronounce that word.
Sorry?
Yes. Like the Titanic.
Equal
Mark somebody else.
okay.
Nicholas, what's the last one?
560.
What?
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 Uh,
Wait, hold on. What we talking about?
We talking about the sine rule here. So
Uh-huh.
is the sine rule A over sine A is equal to B over C one. But in this question, we don't have A, B, and C. Well, we have C, but we instead of A and B, we have H and K. So you're just replacing the variables for C, K, and H. So what the last one will be?
That gonna be H over sine H.
Yeah, the common capital, common.
Yeah, common H over sine capital H.
Oh, Nicholas, this is kind of off topic, yeah, but what is sine T over cos T?
That's tan T.
Say that again?
Tan capital. Tan. Oh,
Okay.
tan T. Hey boy.
Yeah.
I call her take care and she answered me.
Hey, oh good. All right. So, Amy, let me show you how we're going to use this, right? So, we're trying to find for length KH. So, automatically, that is C. So, C, right? So, which one out of the three we select in one time?
C, like
Right. And which one we have all the information for?
K.
K. I have the angle for K and I have the side for K. That is how we're going to figure out which two to use. I'm going to catch that.
Yeah.
Nicholas, you catch that? I'm going to explain it back one more time.
Nah, catch.
All right. Brianna, you remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to make my substitution now. Do we know what side C is equal to? Side C.
No.
Nah, so I write in our back. Do we know what angle C is?
Yeah.
What's angle C?
40 degrees.
Right? And Nicholas, tell me what to write after the equal sign.
You go put K over well, common K over sine 56.
Oh, wait now. And we know what the length of K is? Think about it.
You know, oh yeah, boy.
Yeah, wait is though.
Alright, that gonna be 45 over sine 56.
Yeah. So you know more. 45 over sine 56.
That is good talk.
Oh, okay. And now that we had two fractions, Amy, what we gonna do?
Cross multi.
You
Okay.
can cross multiply or you can multiply by sine 40 on both sides. But I just standardizing it. Anytime I see two fractions, just cross multiply.
Mm-hmm.
So always, what would this be? Tell
C
me.
by sine 6, which is equal to 45 by sine.
Right. And well, Nicholas, if I want to find for C, what I had to do?
Well, you're gonna have to you had to divide the both sides by sine 56.
Right. So I want you to pay attention to something. Are we putting sine 56 into the calculator and using a rounded off value? Or am I using the exact values?
Exact values.
Same thing in physics, eh? Same thing in physics. You know, this topic looking very similar to what we do in physics here today. Like
Looking so
watch lenses, form for notes. Yeah, watch that.
looking rather familiar.
Yeah.
Cannot lie.
Amy, you could have well be doing physics and thing, you have a science brain. I find you have a real science brain. Like, look at this. You could have been mashing up this. That'd be baby thing for you. Nothing.
Well, well.
It's not late. It's not late. Not late. But you see, I don't want to. You like business?
Um, so. I like science too. It was like a real big decision.
Ah,
Yeah. At first I was going to science and then, it was real last minute.
you'd have be undefeatable in science. On board.
Yeah, it's kind of my parents too. And then like, yeah, so
I'll talk to your mom. She have a little genius child.
Nah, I find she make the correct decision. Science is terrible.
What? No, no. God. All right. So somebody tell me what is 45 sine 40 over sine 56? Come on, guys. Easy thing. Easy W. If you have a Casio, that is.
34.89.
34.89.
Mm-hmm.
And Rihanna, what units did you use?
Centimeters.
Right. Now, Nicholas, if you have to plug this into your shop, you'd have to plug in open bracket 45 sine 40 close bracket divided by open bracket sine 56 close bracket. All that drama.
Life's so difficult with a shop. Can you imagine?
Yeah, so what
My
about?
shop end up conking out completely. When I tell you, some other class I tell you, the battery is giving real trouble.
Mhm.
It's not working anymore at all, so I'm gonna have a class you.
Right, right. That's good, that's good. So so what calculator are you using right now?
Using no calculator, ne? And test is next week, Bagalif.
What the hell? Hmm. If you do bad in the test now because you don't have a calculator, your mother will say, well, let's boil it and nothing.
She go put more the house this time. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna see to get that Casio before next week, hopefully.
Where you live? Where do you live? Which area?
DB Junction.
You live in like a righty, like we you live in real close to me.
You
Yeah,
live in?
live in Siraj Trace by my superstores.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, but I'm real close.
yep. But get a Casio. Yeah,
Yeah,
to get original Casio, you had to go see CMR and as a Marabella. Yeah,
I'll tell my mother.
yeah. Right? So Amy, what are your thoughts about the sine rule? That's basically it for the sine rule. That's all. Sometimes you gotta find sine inverse to find the angle, but that's it. What do you think?
It's very easy.
Yeah. And cosine rule. Let me show you what the cosine rules look like one time, but we're not gonna do a question on that. Um, Amy, you know your mom love you because she buy you a Casio. If somebody buy you a Casio, that means they love you unconditional. That
I
means
know
they
it
want to
was
make your
happening.
life easier.
And it was the pink one too. That's so special.
Yep, the pink one real cute. Like Casio just make some cute calculators. Sharp
So,
make
so what if the buyer shop the hate you and
we say Rihanna.
if the buyer shop that means they hate you?
Yeah, they hate you. They want to see you fall along in the box and say never love you.
They praying that you feel seasick. You get a tree, you know?
I'm walking Rihanna thing behind your back. I mean,
This fall in my garden.
hey, and if a teacher in school and if or if teacher in school tell her to get a shop, they don't want it to pass. And they don't want it to pass by. Hey, huh.
Now I had to file a complaint against Miss Priya Sukraj now. No?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what the
Hmm.
course look like. A little more complicated. A little more. A little more. Yeah. Right? But it's so easy. Guys, I promise it's so easy. Once all they work it real easy. Like the cosine rule, you just use the cosine rule anytime you have an included angle. I'm gonna explain what that is next class. Right? But as for this class. Yeah. So next class we finish in trigs. I'm moving on to what do you want to move on to? Let me hear Nicholas, what are you doing in school right now? What's the last thing you do?
In maths.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me go on maths book.
Oh God.
Um, alright, so in maths, last thing I do was so in like Form 3, we finished statistics already and add maths, but we started in maths now for the students who didn't do add maths and who would not do in add maths in week's class.
Okay, so I'll start statistics.
Yeah, well started over. We already most of the students already know everything in statistics, but just like revising it.
Okay. Well, I will see what to do. Some are doing transformations in school. Some are doing sequences and patterns. Some are doing statistics. I'd figure out which one to choose. I do this, right? Anybody here has watched JoJo's Bizarre Adventures?
Finished that last year, no 2 years ago.
Oh my god, that was so long.
We all very cultured then.
Who was that?
Um,
JoJo's Bizarre JoJo's Bizarre Adventures.
Nah, never heard of it.
Rihanna, you just have then us should, you know.
I gonna make a meme. I gonna make a meme, right? Comparing Sharp users to Casio users. You know, like the different stands. So you have like the Sharp stand, then you have the Casio stand. I gonna make a meme. Which
It
is
is
weak.
really stand by Sharp willing to.
I don't know. I remember in this episode of JoJo, it had like this real small, like annoying stand user. Like, like, like the stand was real small. And he used to crawl into people's nose or something. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. And you know about the different stand
Is
user?
I think I know which one you're talking about. But me, you know, if it's the gravity one or a different one.
Hmm. I will look it up on Science. But I have some very cultured students minus Rihanna. Maybe Rihanna. Disappointing. Ooh,
Desafe or Shikoma.
you look
Do
good.
you ever watch Nana?
Have I watched what?
Nana.
Nah, I don't know about that. I guess I'm uncultured.
Hmm.
I'm talking about
Anyway,
what anime is about.
well, a lot. Anyway,
Is that a good anime?
it's unfinished though because
Yeah,
the the the, the woman died.
you ever watch YBC?
No,
That's how
It's short. It's shortened for something else.
I don't know what that
Amy,
is.
I know you watch that. What are you talking about?
what?
Um,
Boy, I never watched some of them old animes in so long.
hold
They're
on.
not old.
My phone there, I'm gonna message you the phone.
No!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Never mind. Oh my god! Wait, when I get Rihanna, reaction, I don't remember. Oh my god!
So confused.
Oh, my heart skip a beat.
That was you just on McDonald's?
I don't know if it's me or Rihanna.
I hear somebody say no.
That was
That's
me.
Rihanna.
Rihanna, wait.
Oh my god, my heart. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's for the real culture people. Like,
A joke. I don't want nobody expose me like that. That was a long time ago.
Same.
I I real worried now. I real concerned.
Don't worry.
It's
Um,
okay.
so what was
it's
the
a
It's
anime?
good,
okay.
it's a
Tell us.
good anime. It's a real action
No,
and fighting.
Oh,
no,
Is
no.
of it? Was
It's
it
not.
there's
It's
an
not.
action, but not that kind.
It's not. It's not.
was it the anime?
No.
Um, okay,
Wait, the
anyways.
recording off?
You said YOC. You said YOC?
No. YBC.
No, no, stop it.
The
Stop it.
recording off, right? Stop the recording.
Okay. All right.
No.